Keurig K-Select Coffee Maker, single-serve K-Cup pod coffee brewer, with strength control and hot water on demand, black, renewed. Certified refurbished, Keurig takes great pride in the quality of all of our products, including this certified refurbished unit. While these machines and/or their packaging may have minor scratches or imperfections on their exterior, you can be assured that your Keurig coffee maker will perform like new. Brews multiple cup sizes, 6, 8, 10, 12 ounces. Enjoy the most popular cup sizes, all with quiet brew technology, minimizing noise during use. Large 52 ounces water reservoir allows you to brew 5 cups before having to refill, saving you time and simplifying your morning routine. Removable reservoir makes refilling easy. Simple button controls, just insert a pod, select your desired cup brew size, and get fast and fresh brewed, delicious coffee in minutes. Removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7.4 tall and holds a full accidental brew for easy cleanup. Dispense hot water, open and close the brewer handle without a pod, and select your cup size for hot water on demand. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.